Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna share some tips about how to draw front-facing portrait with you. So let's start with understanding human face proportions, and then I will draw a front-facing portrait to show you the process later on. I have drawn a man up front to show you the face proportions. Please keep in mind that this is just a guide only. You can always tweak the proportions to create a unique looking. Now we can say the human face can be divided into 3 equal parts vertically. The distance from the hairline to the eyebrows is the same as the distance from the eyebrows to the base of the nose, and it is also equivalent to the distance from the nose to the chin. For the eyes, the space between the eyes equals the length of one eye. The width of the human face is equal to the length of the 5 eyes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. For the ear's location, the top of the ear aligns with the eyebrow line, while the bottom edge of the ear is in line with the base of the nose. Now, let's talk about 1/3 rules. The mouth is located at 1/3 of the distance between the nose and the chin, and the upper lip is at 1/3 of the distance between the nose and the line of the mouth. The lower lip is at about 1/3 of the distance between the line of the mouth and the bottom of the chin. For this man, you can see I moved the bottom of the lower lip a bit higher. Now, we have gone through all the key points about face proportions. But how do we get the proportions right when we draw a face? The answer is we just need to draw a face proportions template first. Firstly, let's draw a circle to represent a sphere of the human head, and draw a cross line in the middle of the circle. But our human heads are not the standard sphere. We can actually regard the size of our head as 2 panels. Therefore, we just need to chop off 2 sides of the sphere. Secondly, the top part of the cross line can be divided into 3 equal parts vertically, and we can do the same division for the bottom part as well. Thirdly, just below the circle, we can add another 1/3 line here. Let's say what we get now. We now have 3 equal portions, as indicated by the red lines. Each portion includes 2 1/3 lines. 1, 2, 1, 2, and 1, 2. If we put these lines back to the human face we just saw, we can say the red lines represent the hairline, eyebrow line, the line of the nose base, and the bottom of the chin respectively. The second last 1/3 line represents the bottom of the lower lip. Accordingly, we can continue to apply 1/3 rules I talked about before to locate the position of the mouth and the lips. This is the mouth, and this is the upper lip. And then we divide the middle of the cross line into 5 equal parts in order to get the position of the eyes. Congratulations! We now have a template for the human face proportions. Now, let me show you how to apply the proportions we learned today to a drawing. Let's draw the proportions template first. Again, the template is just a guide, and it shouldn't restrict your creativity. You can always slightly adjust the proportions. I'm drawing a line for the eyes. The position of the eyes depends on the looking you would like to draw. Okay, the first version is done. I also would like to show you another version. Let's continue the drawing. I hope you like this version as well. Okay, another style is done. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one. Happy drawing, bye!